Are you just like this guy, suffering from Wi-Fi deprivation, and you just can't get any good Wi-Fi speed? Well, look no further.
I'm going to tell you very quickly how your internet connection could be faster and more secure. Yo, what's going on? This is your boy Marcus King, and I'm here with another video to tell you about an app called Warp Plus, made by the company Cloudflare. Also goes by the name of 1.1.1.1. So what is 1.1.1.1? This app was developed by a company named Cloudflare, and their sole intentions was to give you faster and more secure internet. Basically, it is a DNS resolver. Now you're probably wondering,
Marcus, what is a DNS?
well, let me tell you what a DNS is. Basically, a DNS stands for Domain Name System. So what a DNS is instead of typing out numerical numbers to get to the website Google, you can just type in Google because it's easier to remember. That's all a DNS is. It's like a phone book of the internet. Also, with this Warp Plus app, it offers VPN protection. We're going to get into that. So why would you use it? It gives you faster internet and more private security by putting you on their VPN. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this app. Let's check it out.
So you're going to go into the Apple App Store or any app store, whichever device you have, download the app. It's going to tell you what the app's about, the history of it. Proceed to click next. Now it's going to ask you, would you like to connect to their VPN profile? This is you connecting to the 1.1.1.1 DNS. Click allow. I'm going to speed it up here for the sake of the video. Now boom, now you have this switch in front of your face which allows you to turn off or on the VPN. And you already know it's time for a speed test. Let's get it. So in this test right here, I'm going to show you what the internet speed is like with the DNS off. So we're going to disable the DNS. I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi checker app and show you that I am connected to my personal router. Here you can see we have a download speed of 68 megabytes per second, and we have an upload speed of 21 megabytes per second. And that is with my Wi-Fi router. Now for the second test, we're going to do it with the DNS switch on. As you can see, we are connected to their VPN server at the top of the screen. We're going to start the test. Already out the gate, we're at 200 megabyte per second range. And it ends with 215 megabytes per second, and our upload speed ends at 89 megabytes per second. So just from that, you can see the difference with and without the DNS switch on.
And boom, that easy. Now you have faster, more secure, and better internet. Another very important reason why you want to use this app, your internet service provider is more nosier than you think. They can see what you're doing on the internet by looking at your HTTPS data cache. Now, when you use Cloudflare's DNS, they don't save your data, they keep your privacy, and all your information is safe from the internet. I use this app all the time. Whenever I'm out using public internet like Starbucks or McDonald's and I need to connect to their Wi-Fi, this is the go-to app to use because it protects you from middleman attacks. And basically what a middleman attack is, you trying to connect to the internet and there's someone in the middle receiving all the information you're trying to send out. You do not want that to happen. Using this app, I had less app pop-ups, more security features, for sure less attacks. And also, if you're on your home Wi-Fi and you notice that it slows down or is just for some reason struggling, you can switch over to this DNS. Just turn it on and boom, it might solve your internet connectivity issues. So the most common questions are, is it free? Yes. This app is 100% free, and that is the best part about it. Though, if you want to upgrade to get some sort of faster gigahertz service, it's available, but I never needed to do that, so you probably won't need to. Does it replace my VPN? No. Whenever you turn on the switch, it just activates the 1.1.1.1 VPN, and then when you turn it off, it goes back to your original internet service provider's DNS. 3. Does it work on all electronic devices? Yes. Works on Android, Apple, Mac, and Windows OS. So if you made it this far in the video, leave a like, leave a sub, leave a comment. Let me know if this app works for you. Let me know if this app works for you. Other than that, this has been your boy Marcus King. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.